Alright, so before any skincare routine, I always wash my hands thoroughly. You do not want any germs or anything going on your face, so that's very important. All right, so once I finish that, I'm starting off with a oil cleanser by Sephora, or you can use any kind of oil. I'm doing this first thing in the morning. It's like 6:15, and this is my relaxed time, okay? So I'm applying this onto my skin so I can start using my gua sha. Now this is a red light gua sha, okay? I start off first. It just has like a vibrating sensation as it's going across your skin. And what gua shas actually do, it really helps with fine lines and wrinkles, but it stirs up the blood. It kind of gets the blood flow going, and it really helps eliminate fine lines and wrinkles, or, it kind of makes them less visible, I'll say. Stimulates your skin, helps with fine lines and wrinkles, and then with the red light, once I do start with the red light, it also helps to stimulate blood flow and helps with fine lines and wrinkles, hyperpigmentation, and all of that good stuff. So I love doing this. If you don't have a red light, now this is a red light gua sha by Dr. Rajani. You can use any kind of gua sha. It doesn't necessarily have to be a red light, okay? But I love this one. I just love it. And the red light cuts off by itself. So once you start it, it doesn't stay on forever. You have a certain amount of time and then it cuts off. So yeah, I just do this everywhere over my lids, and then I start with my red light. And I just do the same thing. This is so relaxing. So relaxing to me. And I like to go down my jawline and down my neck, okay? This is where I retain most of the water in my face. Sometimes my face is swollen, and it depends on what you're eating. If you eat something salty, I tend to swell up in my face a little bit, so this is for the the lymph drainage. So yeah, I love doing this. I don't do it every morning. I do it maybe twice a week. And see, it's starting to cut off, so it cuts off by itself. So yeah, once that is complete, I go ahead and rinse my face and cleanse my face, get the sleep off of my skin. Then I dry my face. I don't completely dry it because I like my skin to be damp when applying my serums. And these are the serums that I'm using. I always start off first with my hyaluronic acid. And this is a hyaluronic acid that I'm using, again, by Dr. Rajani. I just love their products. They have really great, potent ingredients that actually work. And serums, you guys know, if you've been with me any length of time, I love serums. They have active ingredients that penetrate the skin immediately, and you will see results within 4 weeks if using consistently. I apply this in an upward position on my skin. Never pull your face down, always upward. You can pat the product into your skin, and never ever forget your neck. I never forget my neck, and the excess I rub on my hands, because my hands, you don't want your hands to look older than you are, right? So yeah, everything I'm pushing upward position. And now I'm going in with my vitamin C. I love vitamin C. This is the one by Drunk Elephant. I have several different ones that I use, and this is one of my favorite also. And I just apply it again on my skin. Vitamin C is an antioxidant. It helps to keep your skin look alive, like brighten the skin, to help it look like it has some life in it. And I love that. It helps with discoloration. It helps with fine lines and wrinkles, hyperpigmentation on the skin. I love it. Again, upward position, bring it down your neck also, okay? You never just want to stop at your face. Bring it down the neck. This is so relaxing. This is really my me time early in the morning. All right. Applying it on my hands, the rest that's left over. And in between each of these is about a minute, okay? So now I'm going in with my Ceramize. And my skin still has a little dampness to it. I apply my Ceramize the same way in an upward position. I love this. This is by Elizabeth Arden. They have little capsules that has just the right amount of product in it for your skin. And I just love it. It's also a serum. I'm telling you, I love serums. They're so good for the skin. All right, so the next product I'm going to use is a growth factor by Glow. Growth factors, it actually signals the skin to start repairing, to repair your skin. And when it's repairing, it's creating like a new layer of, what is it, like regenerating your skin, I'll say. So yeah, apply it on your hands and your neck. Don't forget your neck. Any excess goes on the hands, honey. Now it's time for my moisturizer. I never skip my moisturizer. Moisturizer is very important. I decided to go into my office, my beauty room, and do this. The sun is coming up, so I like to just look outside while I'm doing this. I'm near my window, and you guys know I love Pond's. Pond's, I have very bone dry skin, so that's why I'm using hydrating products. If you have dry skin, hydrating products is best, okay? And I'm applying the Pond's all over my skin, hydrating it. Now, if you have combination skin or oily, you have to adjust the products for your skin type. But I'm always using my moisturizer, always. After my moisturizers, now I'm going to use my eye creams. I believe in eye creams. I love them. And this one is by Tatcha. It's a brightening eye cream, so it has vitamin C in it. It brightens the eye up under there if you have dark circles or anything, or puffiness also. So yeah, I use my ring finger. That's the first thing I learned when I was working on Estee Lauder. Your ring finger is the most delicate for under the eye area. So when applying eye creams and things, always make sure to use that ring finger so you won't pull down or really injure or hurt that under eye. You don't want to pull down or do anything to tug at it to droop it down, okay? Everything is lifted, and this is a really gentle finger. Now, next to the last thing that I do is apply my sunscreen. And this is a sun stick. It says a quick sun stick with an SPF, I believe, of 45 or 50. I love this. I've been using this a lot lately because I can apply it on my bare skin. And if I have makeup on and forget, I can apply it over my makeup without it messing my makeup up. I love it. All the products that I use, I promise I will link them in the description box below. But yeah, love this sunscreen. Sunscreen helps protect your skin from the sun rays, okay? And I apply this on my hands as well, okay? It just helps protect your skin. Your skin is thinner as we age, so yeah. Age 55, honey, I'll be 56 this year, 2026, so I have to take care of my skin. Now, the last thing I do is use a lip enhancer, lip plumper, because as we age, our lips get a little thinner. It like melt into your skin almost. So I like to plump these up before I apply any kind of makeup to my lips or my face. I apply this and just wait about 5 minutes and you'll start seeing it plump up. So this is by also Dr. Rajani. I love their skin products, I'm telling you. So again, everything I use will be in the description box below. And this is basically it, guys. I hope you like my updated 55-year-old skincare, morning skincare routine. And this is it for my healthy glow. I can run out and feel confident in my own skin without wearing any makeup. I can run errands just like this. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.